loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do for you a quick January flip through of what I did in terms of my spreads and just how it came out overall. If you guys saw my setup video, you know for January I did sort of a stars wintry theme. So had this nice little quote here that I printed out from Pinterest that says, "Stars cannot shine without the darkness." And then on this side, the title page, I did some snowflakes and little stars and moons. And then this was the full page calendar. And I kind of fixed this a little bit for February because even though I did a 2-page layout, I didn't break it up by page. So Thursday is like right in the crease. So that was like a little bit hard to write there. And then I had some must-dos on the side and continued the little stars and moon theme at the top. And over here I had my brain dump. Obviously just things that I wanted to do for the month, and my YouTube tracker here. And then over here I have my budget tracker, and of course I blurred that out because you guys don't need to see how much I make and what I'm spending on. And I did a really minimalist style weekly spreads. I just put the week up top and the days. This gave me a lot of room to write if I had a lot going on for that day. Obviously, when I started this, there was nothing for Monday, and then Tuesday I only had one thing on there. Week 3, I kind of changed it up a little bit and did these little cute headers with the number, the days on the bottom, and a little star and thing in the corner. And then week 4, same kind of deal, but I decided to put in little weather trackers so that I can see what the weather would be like, and then of course to tie in the stars and moons. I told you guys I am not I am not an artist, so everything here was done with a stencil. Okay. And then coming up on the end of the month here, just planned for the end of the week going into February. And then this page I left as a January reflections page where I'm gonna look back and, you know, just write down, you know, things like how I felt, things that I did this month, just to look back and be able to see that. So thank you guys for watching, and please check out my February plan with me videos and how I set up my bullet journal. Thanks for watching.